The topic is cooperative federalism. So, the equal distribution of power or the horizontal distribution of power between states and the central government is called cooperative federalism. In this type of system, national and state agencies like All India Services, Interstate Council, Integrated Judicial System, etc., undertake government functions jointly. So, through cooperative federalism, decentralization of power takes place that strengthens the democracy, ensures equal sharing of resources among all states in India. Central government policies can be implemented by all the states. Cooperative federalism also ensures to tackle serious issues like national security, disaster management, and environmental disasters in a coordinated manner. So, some provisions that promote cooperative federalism are envisaged in the Constitution of India. They are seventh schedule that distributes functions between center and states. Article 312 provides all India services where authorities chosen by the central government works across all over India. Integrated judicial system that enforces states and the central laws efficiently. And Article 263 provides interstate council to discuss and investigate subjects of common interest between the center and the states. And also Article 261 deals with public acts, records, and judicial proceedings of union as well as states. And Article 280 deals with the Finance Commission that recommends the distribution of financial resources between union and states. And Article 279A deals with the GST Council and is responsible for deciding the rates of the GST across India. So, all these are the constitutional provisions that promote cooperative federalism in India. But still, there are some issues that challenges the cooperative federalism. The center enjoys more powers than the states. For example, during the COVID pandemic, Disaster Management Act was used by the center excessively and assumed complete control by the center. There are interstate disputes between one or more states where center is called to mediate between the states. And center interferes in the state matters, like for example over the controversy of the new farm laws. Several states have opposed the central government, and several people accused the central government over targeting opposition party ruled states by denying them the funds and other resources. On the other hand, some steps are taken to foster the cooperative federalism. They are, as per the recommendations of the Finance Commission, the share of the states from central tax revenues was increased from 32% to 42%, and the states were given to plan their spendings or expenditure based on their requirements or priorities. And the state-wise ease of doing business ranking was promoted to encourage states economically and to promote good competition among different states across India. And National Institute for Transforming India Ayog or the Niti Ayog acts as a body to promote cooperative federalism in India. It organizes meetings between prime minister or the cabinet ministers and all the chief ministers on various issues and policy making. It shares best practices among states. It supports the states by providing policy making support and capacity development on different functionaries. And Niti Ayog has also launched aspirational district program for the development of the backward districts across India. Thus, apart from these initiatives, some more initiatives like empowering the local bodies like Panchayati Raj institutions and urban local bodies for the development process at the local level and providing sufficient financial resources for them can lead to the efficient cooperative federalism. And the states should make development in such a way that pave for the country's development. So it should take measures in areas of trade, commerce, education, hospitality, cultural exchanges, etc., making each and every state equal partners in the development of the country. Thus, cooperative federalism is not only means for the horizontal distribution of power, but also involving each and every sector, states, local bodies in the development process of the country.